Hey everyone, today we're exploring the top 10 anti-aging foods that can help you maintain youthful skin and overall health. Whether you're looking to reduce wrinkles, boost collagen production, or improve skin elasticity, these foods are packed with nutrients to support your anti-aging journey. First, berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen production for firm and youthful skin. 2. Fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help maintain skin elasticity, reduce inflammation, and keep your skin hydrated from within. 3. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. They support skin barrier function, protect against sun damage, and promote a youthful complexion. 4. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants. They help protect the skin from UV damage and maintain collagen production. 5. Green tea. This antioxidant-rich beverage contains polyphenols that help protect the skin from free radicals and improve skin elasticity. Drinking green tea regularly can contribute to a more youthful and radiant complexion. 6. Dark chocolate. In moderation, dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, which improve blood flow to the skin, protect against sun damage, and boost hydration for smoother skin. 7. Avocado. This creamy fruit is a great source of healthy fats, vitamin C and E, and antioxidants. It helps hydrate the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote smooth, supple skin texture. 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that protects the skin from UV damage, reduces inflammation, and improves skin texture. Enjoy them in salads, sauces, or as a snack. 9. Turmeric. This spice contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can promote youthful-looking skin. Lastly, olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like vitamin E, olive oil supports skin health by reducing inflammation, protecting against oxidative damage, and maintaining moisture levels. Incorporating these nutrient-packed foods into your diet can make a noticeable difference in your skin's appearance and overall health.